There's no storm. Oh my goodness. Let's see. It's blowing. This is it. It's snow again. The snowstorm. Peanuts blowing. Oh shoot. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Peanut, you're gonna get buried in there. Oh my gosh. No? Okay, let's go. Look at this guy looking at the street. Good morning, guys. It's a Saturday morning. And this guy's waiting for his treat. Okay. Oh, Peanut. Here you go. Up, up. Sit. Sit, sit. Down. Floor over. Up. You can see. Let's go outside. Outside. Look at outside. Didn't even open the door. Outside is bad. It's pretty though. Oh my goodness. It's more than 12 inches. Ooh. Look. Look at the trees buried. Buried on the snow. Okay, look at this car. Buried. I like filming this. So pretty, but it's too much. Everybody's busy. Everybody's busy cleaning. Okay, what do you... Do you want to say something? Say something, guys.
He doesn't want to stop. Here in Canada. So this is everybody's Saturday chore today.
Instead of vacuuming inside the house, they go here. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put this somewhere.
Yeah.
Hey, where's your gloves? Still. This. Look at the happy. When Saturday chores.
Can you help us please stop recording?
Why? It's cool. I just said I could just film. Jadla, your pants. I gave you a belt already. Pull it. You see that? Just put this here. Stop.
2 minutes.
Okay, do you guys have this? It's pretty. You guys have that? This. It's taller than me. Oh my goodness. You're making a mess.
I know.
Do it on the other side. Whew. Look at the chores on a Saturday morning. How Daddy get out? Huh? Will be okay? So we all need like that car now then.
Really?
4x4. Do it again. Do it. Arjan, do it again.
What?
Throw him a snowball.
Johnny?
Yeah.
I think I'm okay. I'm gonna help.
Yes.
I'm gonna help Kara.
Yeah, she's by herself.
She did it by herself?
Yeah. She did that when I woke up at 6, I think. I woke up at 6, I went to the washroom. It was like something is going on outside. And then I should be. Last minute. Okay, hi guys. Look at the weather here in Oshawa. I mean, Oshawa, Canada. Anyway, look at that guy, still stuck there. That's it for me.
If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.